Starting. It's starting. It's starting.
We're here.
Cooking for one has never been so fun. If you don't know what to make, it's never too late. The Bachelor's fridge is kicking out the jams and the jellies.
We're here. This is Joey.
Hi.
He's in the Bachelor's kitchen. Do you know what we're doing today, Joey?
I don't know what we're doing today, Dustin.
Joey is an excellent baker.
Huh?
Yeah, he is. That's
I
true.
like the dabble.
Yeah, for my birthday, he.
I made you magic bars.
They're so good. I still have some left,
How
but
can you still have them left?
because Joey, it's a lot of magic bars, and I am but one man.
I think you can do it.
Okay.
Last challenge.
So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna eat the rest of the magic. No. Joey's gonna help me make cookies because I don't know how to make cookies.
Okay.
So what do you need to make cookies? I don't even know.
You'll need some flour.
Okay.
You'll need some brown sugar.
Yeah.
You'll need some white sugar.
Okay.
You'll need some eggs.
Yeah.
I say butter. You need butter.
Yeah.
Or shortening.
Yeah.
Chocolate chips.
Yeah.
Some vanilla flavoring.
Okay.
A little bit of salt.
Yeah.
You'll be good to go.
All right. So I have none of those things.
Oh god. This makes me nervous.
We can get some flour out of here, right?
Yeah, we could probably crush that up.
I thought so. Dang. See?
Yeah.
Okay. I knew it.
Yeah, it's healthy too.
Right? Am I right or am I
Yeah,
right?
you can do this. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have butter?
Yeah, I got.
Give me some butter.
I don't know if I have butter.
You have fake butter?
I don't know.
Do you have shortening like Crisco?
I don't know. I got butter.
You have butter. Perfect. Use some
Brown sugar or regular sugar?
A little bit of both if you have it. It's a little tough, but hey.
Okay, yeah.
That's okay, it's okay. We can work with this.
Is that okay? Look, it's chunky.
That's chunky. Do you have white sugar? If not, no, it's okay. It'll be sticky. Yeah, you do.
Okay, oh, Joey!
Yeah.
Is this, will this work?
Sorry. No, that won't work at all.
But is it not sugar?
No.
No?
Well, let me see. Let's see.
Is there sugar in there, right?
Let's see. Can we? It has gelatin in it. That's the weird part.
But there's sugar in it, right?
Number one ingredient is sugar and beef gelatin.
I think we got a winner, right?
Okay, yeah, we can.
We can, yeah? Look at all that sugar. That's sugar. Oh, see, you would ask for baking soda.
Or baking powder.
No, oh.
Because this has to rise, otherwise there would be pucks.
Pucks?
If they don't rise.
I got. This has been in there to absorb the odors of the
It's so
refrigerator.
delicious.
So, we need to go to the microwave, you said?
Yeah, soften that butter up for me.
Okay. What, like 10 minutes?
No, how about like, I don't know, 30 seconds.
10 minutes. Alright. Add 30 seconds. Press cook.
Alright.
Alright, what are we doing
We have
over
to grind
here?
this up, don't we?
That's our flour, yeah?
Yep. Perfect.
Okay. Okay, we need to do that again. Good enough. Is that enough flour?
I think so.
You think?
I'm gonna teach you this. Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so you're gonna put some sugar, some brown sugar, put about half brown sugar. Throw some in, see what happens.
Like a fistful?
Fistful. Just gonna mix it up.
Yeah.
And just creaming it all together.
Okay, cream it.
Probably maybe a half of that.
Okay, this is our sugar.
That's our sugar, yeah.
But it's our sugar.
Yeah, it is now.
Okay.
Okay, that's good.
That's good?
Yeah.
Yeah, doesn't feel like half. Doesn't feel like half, Joe. That feels like half, Joe. Cause see, there was an air
There
pocket.
was an air
It was
pocket, you're right.
deceptive, so.
Alright, now do you have any eggs?
Yeah, I got eggs.
Alright, give me an egg.
Egg run! Egg run. Oh, I heard you can use mayonnaise instead of eggs. Is that true?
There are eggs in it.
Right.
Sure, what the hell? Let's try it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it's got oil in it. It's got eggs in it.
I thought so, because I don't have eggs.
Let's see. Yeah, it has eggs in it.
I thought so.
That's moisture too.
Right.
Alright, cool.
Cool, that's like an egg's worth of mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Alright.
You wanna open this for me?
I do want to. Okay,
go
so
ahead.
technically it's been open because it's been absorbing the odors in my fridge this whole time.
This is gonna taste like every meal ever.
It's okay.
These are
11, 12, 2014. Good to go.
How about 2 fingers?
2 fingers is a lot. 2 fingers is a lot.
Can be. All right,
Dude, that's good. That's
good.
2 fingers.
Yeah, that's.
Okay. Back in the fridge. We'll see you in 2025.
A little bit.
Yeah, flour.
You might need a little bit more moisture. Do you have any?
Yeah.
How about a little more mayonnaise?
Yeah?
Yeah, I think we need a little bit
Oh,
more
I'm
mayonnaise.
so glad you said that.
And maybe even
Mustard?
no mustard. Give me a little more mayonnaise. Give me a squirt. Okay, give me one more. Perfect.
Okay.
Let's do a little bit more flour.
A little bit more flour.
Salt just brings out the flavor. That's all it is.
I heard.
And this is the flavor we're gonna want to bring out.
Tell me if this is true.
What's up?
I heard if you put a pinch of salt in chocolate milk, it.
Oh, it's better. It is chocolate and salt, isn't it?
Yeah?
It's really good.
Okay.
Now, do you have
Try
chocolate?
it. Wait. Try it and then leave a comment and tell us
That'd be
if it
fun.
was good.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Do you have any chocolate chips?
No. Strawberries?
Yay!
All right.
Alright.
Oh, it's smoking.
No, it's.
Oh, that was from the cold?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead. And you have a cookie sheet?
I do.
6.5 hours later.
Okay.
Alright.
And we're back.
Alright, Dustin, go ahead and grab some of them. Make a ball.
Make a ball.
Make a ball. Grab some of the big chunks.
Big chunks.
Probably 1 big chunk per cookie.
Okay. Ball?
Yeah.
You don't flatten them out.
No, don't flatten them out. They'll flatten out on their own.
Okay.
Put it for about 12 minutes.
Been for about 12 minutes.
Yep.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. I was off a little. They smell like Fruity Pebbles.
They
to
do
me.
smell. I mean, it's awesome. I like it.
They don't smell bad to you? No?
No, they smell like
They smell like Fruity Pebbles to me.
Yeah, they smell
Yeah?
pretty good.
This is a cooling rack?
That's a cooling rack.
Yeah, it's a cooling rack. That looks good.
Yeah, this one might roll well.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's loosen her up. This one's a little squishy.
Well, there's a tomato or
There should not be a tomato.
no. What?
A strawberry?
Yeah, that's the one. So you were describing to me some of the food science behind
I wouldn't say science.
why this might have failed.
Well, a few things. So we used oat flour, which doesn't have a lot of structure to it.
No.
No. Unlike wheat flour, which would build up some gluten and get a little chew to the cookie. And
Okay.
then the eggs were already emulsified in the oil, and the gelatin probably created a little
Gelatin is
spread.
not sugar.
It's not the sugar that we
Gelatin's not sugar.
It is not sugar. It is not sugar at all.
But these cookies are vegan friendly, right?
No, not at all.
No?
No, gelatin's not vegan.
But
Gelatin's like the anti-vegan.
well, because of the beef.
That's exactly why. Yeah. And that's why they have a weird consistency, is because they have no butter, no egg.
We put butter in there.
I know, but you can't tell a vegan that.
Oh.
Yeah, see, they're really picky
Oh, we're
about
lying to the vegans now.
Vegans aren't too good about that part.
No. Oh yeah.
So this one would be like a little surprise. Oh, out of the pan.
Okay.
That was like a bowel movement. All right, let's go ahead and get that over here. All right, let's get this one
Let's
here.
get that one there. All right, we're back.
All right, Dustin, which one you want to try? I know, I want to try this one.
Because it looks the most like a cookie, or feels the most like a cookie.
I like that crispy edge. You want to split this one with me?
I would love to.
All right, cool.
You want a Lady in the Trampet?
No, I don't think that's necessary.
Okay.
It's crispy.
I'm crispy.
It's actually pretty good.
Oh,
The crispy edge is nice.
like a warm fruit roll
It's
up.
like a warm fruit roll up with a little more crunch, like it was a stale fruit roll up.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that, guys.
That's a cookie that moves with you.
Yeah.
That's what that is.
Bounce with me, bounce with me.
What you gotta do?
Ba-na-na-na-na.
Have fun with your food.
You know, you can fold it in half and
It's
eat
like a
it.
taco. It's like a street taco.
Almost like a warm street taco for your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
Which is what street tacos are anyway. Want to eat another one?
I'll try this at home, sure.
Yeah. While you're at it, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can do more stupid videos with my friends. You meet the whole cast of characters. We'll have Joey back. We'll do some fun stuff, but I can't have Joey back if you don't like and subscribe.
Oh, sure.
Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I don't mean like, do you believe in life after love? I mean like, tell your friends.